again. I am Joshua Lesondra. My task is to report about types of fermentation. So here are two types of fermentation: homofermentation and heterofermentation. So what is homofermentation? So homofermentation is conversion of one glucose molecule into two lactic acid molecule. So like this homofermentation is only one type of product will be formed, and next is heterofermentation. So heterofermentation is the conversion of glucose molecule into a lactic acid molecule. So ang heterofermentation kay mo ni siya ay opposite sa homofermentation. Why? Because heterofermentation is more than one product can be formed, and fermentation can be categorized as to be followed: lactic acid fermentation, alcohol fermentation, acetic acid fermentation, and butyric acid fermentation. So first is lactic acid fermentation. So lactic acid fermentation, it is used to produce energy in the absence of oxygen. So ang example aning lactic acid fermentation is like fermented milk or cereals like yogurt. Nana. So next is alcohol fermentation. So alcohol fermentation, it is a process where sugar are converted into ethanol or alcohol and carbon dioxide. So ang example aning alcohol fermentation is like wine or beers. Nana. So acetic acid fermentation. So is main component of vinegar. So mo sa main component of vinegar like ato diri katong coconut vinegar na to, like tuba na. Yeah. Like one vinegar and rice vinegar. So lastly is butyric acid fermentation. So it is the process where carbohydrates are converted into butyric acid. So ang example ani kay like certain cheese nana or like butter. So muna example sa butyric acid fermentation. So, thank you.